In this video, we will learn how to use relay, and we will demonstrate this relay to turn on and off 220V AC lamp. Before we start, I have to warn you that this video contains practice using high voltage. You need to really understand what you do, and if this is your first time, it's better to have supervisor. Relay is a switch, but we can control this switch electronically using devices like microcontroller or Arduino. In this video, we will learn how to use SPDT relay. Actually, there are so many types of relay out there. SPDT means single pole double through. It means we have one input and have two output. Like a switch, relay can open and close circuit by disconnect and connect a wire. It has three pins that is common, normally open and normally closed. Normally, relay will connect to NC or normally closed, but after the relay is energized, the relay will switch to normally open. This is the relay module. Module means that the relay has added with some component to make the relay ready to use with another device like microcontroller. This is 3-pin terminal. The common is on the center, normally open on the left and normally closed on the right. Take a look at the back side. This is the normally open, common, and normally closed. This relay module also has 3 pins that we can connect to power up the module and trigger it. There are VCC and ground that we can connect to power up the relay, and the signal used to trigger the relay. And there is also specification of this relay printed on the top of the relay body. You can read the maximum of voltage and current that can handled by this relay. And at the bottom, there is operating voltage of this relay. This relay uses 5V to energize or switch the coil. Now let's connect it with Arduino. Time to code. Now we will try to turn on and off the relay, and we will give the delay to 1 second or 1000 milliseconds. We have to set the pin 9 as an output to the relay, and we use the digital write to turn on and off. The digital write high will turn off the relay, and the digital write low will turn on the relay. So we give the delay to 1000 milliseconds between the digital write. Wait, before we continue this video, please subscribe and turn on the notification to make us more excited to make another video. We have successfully to turn on and off the relay. Take a look at the green LED. It is blinking on and off. And notice the click sound from the relay. Now it's time to connect the load to the relay. cut one wire from the power source to the lamp. Plug one end to the common of the relay and another end to the normally open of the relay. Plug the power source and then plug the Arduino, and then it's working. We can also change the delay to make it faster. We will try to change the delay to 500 milliseconds. And now it's blink faster. And I think that is our video today about how to use relay to turn on and off a 220 volt AC lamp. See you in another video. Bye.